Every ice cream factory begins with the freshness of dairy farms. Quality milk starts with careful handling and healthy livestock. Fresh milk moves immediately into controlled cooling systems. Rapid cooling preserves the quality needed for premium ice cream. Sweetness begins long before ingredients reach the factory. Natural flavors add character to every batch of ice cream.
Tanker 3 is clear, moving out. Forklift to Bay 4, sugarcane next. Vanilla cart secured, proceeding to mixer.
With ingredients gathered, the journey to the ice cream factory begins. Fresh ingredients begin their carefully controlled journey. With ingredients gathered, the journey to the ice cream factory begins. Timing and temperature control remain critical during transport. Every ingredient is protected before production begins. Supply chains connect farms, processors, and production facilities.
Delivery verification. Please provide your documents. Thank you. Checking now.
Every shipment is verified before entering production. The heart of ice cream production now comes into view. The transformation from raw ingredients to ice cream is about to begin. Inside the ice cream factory, every ingredient enters a controlled environment. A modern ice cream factory combines logistics, engineering, and food science. Strict hygiene standards protect every stage of production. Every process begins with carefully managed ingredients. Raw materials are prepared for the first stages of processing. Flow rates are stable. Monitor for variations.
Confirmed. Tanks are at optimal temperature.
Modern production relies on constant monitoring and control. Before transformation begins, purity must be ensured. Purity begins with careful filtration.
Labels verified. Conditions are good. Scanned and cleared. Moving to conveyor.
Every ingredient must meet strict production standards. Organization ensures efficiency throughout production. The foundation of smooth ice cream starts with cream. Precision creates consistency in every batch. Carefully measured ingredients move toward transformation. Now the essential ingredients come together.
Inside the mixer, individual ingredients become a unified base. Careful blending ensures a consistent flavor profile.
Pasteurization protects both quality and food safety.
Temperature control is critical to every batch.
Cooling preserves texture and prepares the mixture for aging.
Cooling preserves texture and prepares the mixture for aging. Aging allows flavors and textures to fully develop. The next stage transforms liquid mix into ice cream. Here, the liquid base begins its transformation into ice cream.
Carefully controlled air creates the smooth texture consumers expect. Texture and consistency are refined with precision.
Distinct flavors are introduced with exact accuracy.
Premium ingredients add character to every variety.
Continuous monitoring ensures consistent results. The transformed product is now ready for automated production lines. Automation delivers speed, precision, and consistency.
Advanced vision systems inspect every unit. Multiple product formats are produced simultaneously. Rapid freezing locks in texture and stability. Automation keeps production moving without interruption. Each product now enters its final preparation stage. Traceability is essential in modern food manufacturing. Every package must meet strict identification standards.
Finishing touches enhance both appearance and flavor. Precision systems create a consistent finished appearance.
Every product is evaluated before packaging.
Products are organized into retail-ready formats.
Before release, every batch undergoes final verification. Quality verification begins long before products reach consumers.
Every batch is carefully examined under controlled conditions.
Food safety remains one of the industry's highest priorities.
Consistency ensures the same experience in every package.
Packaging performance is verified before shipment.
Only approved batches move forward to distribution. The final stage prepares products for delivery across the market.
Frozen storage preserves product quality until shipment. Automation prepares large volumes for efficient distribution.
Secure packaging protects products throughout transportation. Maintaining temperature control is essential during distribution.
Every shipment is prepared for safe delivery. From farm ingredients to finished products, the process is complete.
And this is how modern factories produce ice cream from start to finish.